students. Today we're going to do the Capstone project of Microsoft Access. The title of this project is a Merriwell Medical Center, creating and modifying tables, queries, forms and reports. It is the Access module 1 to 4 SAM Critical Thinking Project C, you can see. And before starting, make sure that you have downloaded these 4 support files because we are going to use them in the project. And if you want me to do this assignment or the complete course of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint, Statistics, Business Analytics or Finance related projects, do text me on the WhatsApp. You can also email me. You just need to share the files over the WhatsApp and I will do the rest. Okay, and I will send the file back to you after completing. Then you can just submit it and get it graded. So let's get started with it. As a program assistant for Merriwell Medical Center in Atlanta, Georgia, you help to create, maintain, and promote the hospital wellness programs for patients in Atlanta and the surrounding communities. You are developing an Access database application to manage the programs and participants. So basically, this is the role that we are giving, and we have to act it accordingly. So the first execution step, that is modify the members table as follows to remove any unnecessary fields and add other information. So we have to edit the members table. So this is the member table and it says, okay, open it and open it in design view. Okay, now it says remove the department field which contains no data. So here you can see this is the department field. Right click here and delete rows. It will, a pop-up will appear. It will ask for the confirmation. You just need to click yes. So department field is removed. Moving next, that is add a new field after the date of birth, name StartDate. Just copying the field that we're going to copy and the new field after this one with appropriate data type. Since it's a start date, so we are going to insert a date related field. Now you can see this is a date/time, but we do not need. I think that is the best suited for this one, date/time. And other, if we have attachment, auto number, yeah, that's it. Because as per the instruction it says that you have to use appropriate data type. It's not mentioning us to apply the specific, like if they want us, okay, apply the long text, short text, number. So we have to apply the data type as per, it's a common sense basically, you can say. Okay, moving next, it says add another field after the start date field named email with appropriate data type. So again, add another field with email, and you know the email is a hyperlink always, because when you click a link or text, it will hyperlink to somebody, some else one. So that is the data type for this one, the email. Okay, you cannot do anything else for the email. That's it. Save and close the members table. So save it and close it. So that's it. We are done with the step number 1. Okay, moving to step number 2, that is, well, let me just remind you, if you're feeling uncomfortable or you do not want to do it yourself, you just need to send the files over the WhatsApp or over the email, and I will do the rest for you. It's a very economical service in terms of price, so you can text me around the clock. Okay, moving next, it's step number 2, that is information about wellness program is stored in a separate Access database. Add the records from the database support wellness to the end of programs table in the project database, and the hint is that do not import it. Okay, basically when we want to add some records to this database, there are two options. Okay, so the first one is that you can import the records, which is very easier one, and the second is you have to copy and paste. So in this one it says do not import, so we are not going to import. We are going to open this wellness support file. Look for the wellness, this is the one. Open it, enable it, open this one and right click there, copy it and open this one, and we have to paste it to the end of program table. So we're going to open the program tables, click here and paste it. Now it will say you're about to paste. Well, I'm using Control C for the copy and Control V for the paste option. Okay, you're about to paste, yes. So now you can see we haven't imported the step, we have copied it into the programs table. Set the program ID field as a program table primary key, save and close. Okay, we're going to close this one. So program ID key should be the primary key. So now you see this is the program ID field. If you click here, you will see a primary key right there. Okay. Moving to step number 4, that is program registration information is stored in Excel workbook. I'm going to close it. Okay. Import the data from the Excel workbook to a new table. Choose the registration ID as a primary key and registration as the name of the new table. Okay, so basically we are going to import data from the Excel as a new table. So for this we need to go to the external data. Here you can click the Excel. Now navigate where your file is located. I have placed it somewhere on this one. No, it's this one. Yeah, registration. Now we have attached this file and we want this to be available wait. We're going to select this one, okay, instead of this. New source, Excel, and now navigate to the registration. Now you see import the source data into a new table. So we have to click this one because we want to create a table as per the instructions. You can see as a new table. So click this one, click OK, next, and now it says use registration ID as a primary key. So this is the primary key, registration ID, and use registration as the name of the table. Do not save the import steps. So registration should be the table, finish, and do not save the import steps. So basically we have added another table as a registration to this database. Moving next to step number 5, it says use short text as data type for the program ID. Open it. Program ID should be the short text. Open it in design view. This is the program. It says choose short text as data type for the program type ID. Program type ID is this one. You can see it has a data type of number, so we're going to change it to short text. Save and close the registration table. Save and close it. Okay, moving to step number 6, that is, it says create a table that meets the following requirements to store data about the program types. Okay, so we have to create a table, add a primary field, name this one with short text data type. So to create a table, we need to go to the create tab, and here you can click any one of those. Okay, so I would rather go with table design, program ID type, and this one should have the short text. So by default, this data type for every field is short text. You have to specify any other if you have. Okay, add a field named program description with the short text data type and size property of 25. This one should be this short text, and this one should have the field size of 25. You can see we can limit the characters. You can enhance up to many, but we are supposed to minimize to a 25 characters. Save the table using program types table as a name and confirm that it contains no data. Save it with this name. Wait, this should not be there. Okay, save and close, and make sure it has no data. So program types, you can see it has no data, only 2 fields that we edit. Okay, so we are done with step number 6 as well. So I think that's it for this video. Let me know if you want me to complete the assignment, because I have done it to an extent where you can understand, you can have an idea how to complete. Let me know if you want me to do the other part. I will send you the video of that too if you want, and do text me if you want me to complete that assignment or the complete course of Excel, Access, Word, PowerPoint. Do text me. It's a 24/7 available service and also very economical. So do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.